How to cancel a trip.com flight and request a refund. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel a trip.com flight and then request for refund as well. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. All you have to do is you'll have to open up your trip.com application and make sure you're logged into your account that you made the booking from. Now in my case I'm not logged in, but make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, at the bottom of your screen you can see various options there, and you can see my trips option. Simply tap on my trips option and you should be able to find your flight booked here, and you want to simply open it up and you want to select the cancellation option. Now, can you cancel a flight ticket? Well, you can cancel any flight ticket purchased from trips.com. Cancelled flight tickets may be eligible to receive a full refund, partial refund, or no refund depending on airline policies. Now, curious about the 24-hour cancellation policy, trip.com does not have an explicit policy that permits flight cancellations within 24 hours for a full refund. However, on some flights, trip.com offers the option to cancel within 24 hours for free. Now, depending on the airline, you'll be able to ask for a refund. So trip.com charges a fee to cancel some flights but permits other flights to be cancelled for free, with the ticket eligible for a full refund. The amount of fee, if any, varies by flight. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.